In this lesson, we are going to discover the formula for the area of a triangle. First, let's look at things we already know. We know that the area of a square or a rectangle is length times width. We already know that the area of a parallelogram is base times height. Remember that the base is the bottom and the height is how high the parallelogram is. The height must form a 90-degree angle with the base. If I have this shape here, how do I form a triangle from this shape? Simple. I draw a line, a straight line, from corner to the opposite corner. I now have created a triangle, two triangles. So, if one triangle is half, then to find the area, I would just cut this answer in half. To do that, I would divide by 2. Let's take a look at the parallelogram. To find the triangle, I draw a straight line from corner to corner. How much of the parallelogram does the triangle take up? It takes up a half. So half of this area is a triangle. The formula for area of a triangle is half of this formula. So the area is base times height, and then I cut that in half by dividing by 2. Let's go over that one more time. Using the words base and height, how do I create a formula for area of a triangle? Area of the triangle is base times the height, then divide it by 2. Sometimes the height isn't necessarily given to us, and we have to figure out what the parallelogram looks like to help us. So we're going to practice here. Draw a sketch to show how each of these triangles is half of a parallelogram. So the first one is done. Here is my triangle, and now I'm making it into a parallelogram. This would be the base. This would be the height, since it is a 90-degree angle to the base. Let's take a look at B. I need to draw this same shape here and flip it. So I'm going to go straight across and down. Now I have my parallelogram. This would be the base. This would be the height. It forms a 90-degree angle. We're going to practice one more time. Number 7. Calculate the area of the parallelogram and then use that information to calculate the area of the triangle. The parallelogram. Area equals base times height. My base is 3 centimeters. My height is here, is the 90-degree angle. 3 centimeters equals 9 centimeters squared. For the triangle, it's base times height divided by 2. So 3 times 3, it's still the height, this measurement, divided by 2. 3 times 3 is 9, divided by 2 is 4.5 centimeters squared. You are going to do 8A and 8B. Let's take a look at those. For 8A, you have to identify the base, identify which measurement is the height. Plug in the proper numbers and make sure you have units squared. And the same thing for B. Good luck!